Hello my honeys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick on my phone green screen video because I'm not going to sit around and wait to talk about this. I literally thought I was gonna throw up this morning when I saw this announcement. This is huge, you guys. Today, on September 22nd, 2022, Prime Minister Kishida officially announced in New York that he will be reinstating the visa waiver program and removing all import restrictions, COVID-19 related border restrictions, and returning back to normal to allow in regular tourism. This was an official announcement on Bloomberg. If you guys don't know what Bloomberg is, it is a kind of like a business financial tech news outlet. It is very official. It is very serious. Like if anything hits Bloomberg, you know it's the real deal. I am beyond excited that I have been waiting 5 years. Like you guys know if you watch my vlog channel and if you've been a long time viewer here on this channel, you guys know that I have waited way too long to be able to return to Japan. Originally, it was 2 years because I was just trying to regain my financial situation after a really bad life experience in Australia. And then when I finally recovered myself from that bad experience, pandemic hit, pandemíque hit. And since then, I've been just waiting patiently. It's been almost 5 entire years of trying to get back to Japan. You guys know I left my heart there. It's where I want to be, and I know so many of you guys too have been waiting so long. This isn't just about me, this is about you guys. So many partners have been separated for 3 whole years almost. So many families have been separated for 3 whole years, and so many people just want to go and have their lives move forward. So many people have been wanting to go to school, to start jobs, to do things that have otherwise been really difficult. And I know there's been a lot of things that you have been able to do with Japan borders. Like you can still go to school and you can still do jobs, but they did have an entry restriction. So a lot of people that were able to do this weren't able to because they didn't meet the entry restrictions and how many people were allowed to enter and get visas. It's insane. But yes, you guys, I wanted to share this announcement with you guys because it's really important to me, and I know it's really important to a lot of our community here and a lot of you guys on this channel. So let me know in the comment section down below, have you been waiting to return to Japan? Are you like me, and is it somewhere where you've been wanting to go? I will of course have the official news announcement on this linked in the description box down below, as well as my previous vlog, so do check that out, and I will catch you guys in the next regular video.